Banay. Hindi na ako matras kaya ang akong cellphone. Nasa tripod. Double dribble. Number 8, see, nice, mami. Nice.
Number 19, Hanchi down, 2 throws.
Score 2-0. Mapipag-start sa dula.
First personal foul and first team foul. Balayan na ito. First row.
Isa lang, nice.
Basta lang ako ang pag-announce mo ay 15 minutes. So kasi nag-expect ko na pareha sa akong barangay. Hindi pa pwede yan kay this LSS school.
Amang man, wala man ako gi-ano,
Sa panay, one technical time out sa palihan ng bulang. Kama ng bulang. Apan, ipuli. Okay, pagod ng bulang. Sige. Bigyan sa akong Pacific officials. Ako sa staff. Ang oras na ito, 7 minutes and 11 seconds. 6. Okay na. Ang official ball na ito sa elementary, size 6.
Kuan. Hindi mo water bottle, di ako mam-lips. Ano, ang bola nga gigamit kay dili size 6 mo na nga ano sa computer. Na. Pwede sa kayo, mag-live pa kasi na ako may cellphone. Oh shit.
Euro basketball. CDO basketball. Sir, CDO. CDO, ang basketball. Violation.
Let's go, CDO Risers!
Ball on over to CDO.
Score 6-0, CDO Risers. 8-0.
7 of CDO. Basketball. NBN basketball. It's a score number 4 of CDO.
Pag-order ka ng meow meow.
6 minutes and 22 seconds.
Kaya na kayo yung Serge.
Pagkubiho.
Ang dama na daan ang pose sa Silver. Kaya. Nice one ka, Franco.
Time out, times for LBN Langaw del Norte. Katatawag na rin. 6 minutes. 48 for the first quarter.
Time remaining 6 minutes for the first quarter.
CDO.
Score 10-0. CDO Risers. Isa lang sila ka-game karon kaya umangkay to ha. First game and first game is Kadula, Ozamis City, kaya ang second game is Bukidnon. Rebound. Nice one. Nice! Rebound.
It's a foul. Patata shooting. Yellow foul. Number 18. Chrissy foul. 2
Hi,
points.
sir. Good morning.
Number 18 committed their first personal foul.
Narito ang mga parents sa kwan, sir. Kalendi or natira na sir.
Five minutes and 44 seconds multiplying for the first quarter.
Hala, unsa man na pag-isa para ang live na public. Nice one kasi yan. 2 points, yan na isa. Isa magkuri-kuri sa phone. So, kung hindi pag-change ang viewers, ano, isa. Mag-live pa ko.
Okay. There's a
Like ka kaya ko Facebook, mong God. Pang friends, ragyan, charot.
5 minutes to play and 20 seconds for the first quarter. It's a hand back. Intercepted. Basket now at an offensive foul. Number 77. Yellow.
Ha?
Walang dito.
Si offensive wing.
Walang dito.
Laman ang bula. Offensive, dapat ang sa pula tawagan yung offensive ilang pula.
Release muna ang bola. Ayan ang offensive foul. So basket down ang disabled.
Ayaw, nice. Gawas. Nice one ka, nice. Balik, nice. Ayaw, nice.
That's a goal foul.
Relax lang, nice.
Yellow.
Relax lang kung si basketball.
Number 8, pushing foul.
Oo, gani.
Number 8,
Na-release na daw ang bola ko ya. Basket round sa Lanao dayon. Rebound sa yellow, ayan din siya na offensive.
CDO.
Nice.
Another foul. Red foul number 10. Holding foul.
Na-release ang bola sa lanaw. Basket count, dayon. Pag-rebound sa yellow, offensive.
Second foul. LBF.
Score. Score, 12-2, CDO Risers.
It's an out of bounds. Breaking over. LBF. 1 minutes and 32 seconds.
5 minutes remaining time. Nice. Na-stepping on the
Ball
line.
out of bounds. LBF basketball. Whistle goes foul.
Ayun na, ilabti nice.
Number 8, foul. Substitution. Number 8, repeat your second personal foul. Number 29 in, out. Number 77 of CDF.
Number 4 out.
Number 1 in.
Defense, defense. Out of bounds.
CDO. For the time of the game, 1 minute and 16 seconds. The first quarter.
Foul.
Whistle ball.
Naang.
Offensive foul number 12.
Ano to ganina?
Over. Okay. That is the fifth personal team foul of CDO. Ikaluman ang team foul ng Purano.
Out of bounds. Nice.
Time of the game. 4 minutes and 9 seconds.
Score 12-2. CDO Risers.
4 minutes for the play.
Yeah, third.
Offensive foul. Yellow. Number 8. Offensive foul.
Ayaw na, nice. Ayaw na. Ito pala bilang. Dako kay ka lang, Manggo. Dako kay ka.
6-15 foul. Ang personal foul sa number 8, third personal foul. Ang penalty na ang CDO. 2 points. LBF.
Third na siya. Nice one ka pagkapasa. Ano lang nice? Pass lang nice. Nice.
Foul.
Wala pa kuya, second pa. Second foul na si
Foul
Nine.
number 18. 17. Substitution.
Record na mo, be?
Substitution. Number 8 out with
Record
number
of live.
4 of CDO. 25 seconds.
Basta, sabi yun. Yes!
The points number 19 of LPM.
Kayo kay mga rebounds. Yeah.
Substitution
Biso.
number 12.
Naman si Sir Mark Dere. Pwede na
Number 12,
mamapas, guys.
number 77. There's a play. Line score 16-6.
Score 16-6. CDO.
After 10 minutes and 45 seconds for the first quarter.
Score 16-6. CDO Risers. Ay, ay, ay. Yodo. Nice.
2 points.
Rebound. Yo mo kabuk.
Dagan G.
10 minutes
Ang
and
sabi
20
ba?
minutes.
Nice.
Dagan G na stop.
Nice. Gilawa. Asa? Nice one, Katoks.
2 points for the second of studio. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Time remaining for the first quarter.
1 minute and 30 seconds for the first quarter.
Yellow foul number 29. Hit on the arc of shooting. Penalty.
16-6. Tipping. Rep, di makita, rep.
Cancel ang basket. Cancel ang basket.
Sa man. Defense, defense. Ay. Mana kay bola. Nice pass.
4 points for number 18.
Score 22-6. Score.
Dagan mo dere dere na.
Oh, go-observe naman na
We
sila.
acknowledge the presence of the SDG of the Cagayan City Division, Mr.
Hi, sir, kuya.
Victorino Rosario, Sir Mayong Dampat. One minute and 19 seconds for the first period. Break play violation, no turnover. City Ball.
The star.
Makita ko, dapat yung pero. Ayaw, 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 ayaw. Sagdilang. Sagdilang ka na. Kana, kana.
Nice defense kay Bay.
No turnover. City Ball basketball. One minute and seconds to go. 55 seconds.
Bula bula bula. All
51 seconds. Time remaining for the first quarter.
We're done. Tira. Tira.
Thirty seconds.
Taas ang kamot.
Uy!
The single.
Help, 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 help!
22 seconds time remaining. It's a jumble at targeting position arrow to Lanao del Norte. Substitution. 23 of CDO in. 20. Number 24.
Help!
23 in. Out number 4. Shot clock. Seconds. Time remaining. 15 seconds. Process Rendas.
Shout out to Team O Basketball of Cagayan de Oro. And shout out to JJ Game Farm Stacks of Cagayan de Oro.
5.
Thank you so much for watching and supporting Cagayan de Oro Risers.
End of the first quarter. Official line score. $26 against 7.
Hindi din ma-post ang iPhone.
Okay, ready na yung our first fight. Once again, atong pasalamatan sa kanunay ang atong ang Barangay Council sa Barangay Anillo. Kung asa sila na nahimong bigyan sa inyong basketball Smart Elementary Boys for the Northern Mindanao Regional Athletic Association. Ang Barangay Council, ang pasalamatan, Hirit tayo Honorable Barangay
And also, I
Captain
would
Silvano
like to
P.
thank the support from the team Labs
Barangay Council,
Basketball,
Barangay Rico,
most
and
especially
of
sa
course, the
coach
EC
na
Council
Butalo,
of the State Barangay.
Coach Carl Patrick La Victoria.
Second.
And also, I would like to thank
Remember the EC Council,
the
of course,
head
Hirit
coach
tayo
of
Honorable
the
EC
basketball team
Council,
Cagayan de Oro,
Rilan Sistoso. Thank you very much.
Ninyo
Beginning for the second quarter, Lanao del Norte versus
Score
Cagayan de Oro
26-7.
City.
Start of second
Senior
quarter.
and basketball.
Andy. Attempts by
Shot clock, 4 seconds. 4 seconds shot clock. Reset. Yung turnover.
Shoutout sa mga parents. Kinakusgang mga parents, mga tinuod ng mga parents. Iwano Katoliko, Ingito. CJ Lagom, Mahinay.
Disco dance revolution. Senior basketball. Shot clock 30 to 12 seconds. Ball goes out of bounds. President basketball.